Hi there, and welcome to All About Materials and Engineering. The name says it's all. This channel is dedicated to providing informative and educational videos on a wide range of materials and engineering topics. At All About Material and Engineering, our goal is simple: deliver quality engineering education, clear up misconceptions, spark a passion of engineering, and simplify complex technology so that they are easy to understand. Let's go into our video today. In this video, we're going to see about bridge cam gauge. Gauge is also called as cam type weld gauge or welding gauge. It's a multi-purpose inspection tool used to measure various parameters of weld joints and adjacent surface. It is one of the most versatile and widely used weld inspection tools in fabrications and QAQC work. How to use the bridge cam gauge? Zero the gauge on a flat surface using the zero screw. Place the bridge base over the weld or a plate surface. Adjust the pointer of the cam to contact the surface of the features. Example for a weld toe or in reinforcement. Read the scale, main plus vernier to obtain the measurements. Record the results in the weld inspection report. The main advantages of using bridge cam gauge is used to measure multiple weld parameters with one instrument. Compact and portable. It's ideal for site use, provide quick, accurate, and repeatable readings. Eliminate need for multiple individual gauges. Cam gauge is also used to measure the following parameters: angle of the weld preparation from 0 to 60 degree, and checking for excess weld metals, that is the capping size of the weld, depth of the undercut, what will be the depth of the undercut, and the pitting depth can be checked with this gauge. And it is also used to check the throat size and the leg length of the weld. It is important to check the throat size and leg, you maintain a uniform leg length for the weld. And it is also used to check the high and low between the alignment during the fit up. In this bridge cam gauge, it is a pictorial representation of the multifunctional measurement capabilities. The first picture is the depth of the undercut. The undercut depth is the groove melted into the base metal adjacent to the weld. The excess weld metal or the capping size can be checked using the weld reinforcement height, that is the excess weld metal above the plate surface. The third is the fillet leg length. The fillet leg length is the distance from the toe to the root on each side of the weld. Normally, we should maintain a uniform leg length to have a sound quality of the weld. Fillet weld throat size. The fillet weld throat size thickness is the shortest distance from the face to root. It defines the strength of the weld for the joint. The angle of preparation is 0 to 60 degree. The angle of preparation or bevel angle is the angle between the prepared edge and the plate surfaces. The bevel angle plays a vital role in the welding operation. The last one is the misalignment of high and low. The misalignment high and low is an internal or external offset between the adjustment plates or the pipes during the fit up. If the misalignment is more, the sound quality of the weld will not be good. So we have to maintain a minimum misalignment between the joints. Bridge cam gauge displays measurements in both inches and millimeters. Linear measurements up to 60 mm or 2 inch. The bevel angle is between 0 to 60 degree. Fillet weld can be up to 25 mm to 1 inch. Undercut or reinforcement can be checked 0 to 3 mm typically. Accuracy is about plus or minus 0.1 mm or depending upon the quality of the gauge. The gauge is easy to use. The material is stainless steel, which is rust and corrosion resistance. The scale marking is laser edged or engraved for long-term repeatability. It is comprised of one rotating dial and one sliding pointer. Sliding pointer with vernier scale for precise reading, zero adjustment screw for calibration, and reference settings. Typically supported with protective carry case and instruction card. You simply move the dial and pointer until it makes the appropriate contact and then read the results. Our mission is to explain concepts in a way that not only helps you grasp them better but also makes them easier to remember. If you are ready to learn, grow, and explore the world of engineering with us, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay connected. Together, let us make engineering simple, exciting, and fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. See you in the next video.